Good morning, reception. This is just a quick video to explain the maths activity today, which is called How Many Did I Hide? So for this activity, you will need a plate or a bowl or a tray, something for your counters to be on. I am using a whiteboard just so you can really clearly see them in this video. You also need some counters. So this could be Lego pieces, some pasta, anything little that you've got around the house, but they need to be small enough so you can hide them in your hands, okay, and put them behind your back. And you also need somebody to play with, okay, because this is something that you do in a pair, so I'm going to be playing it with you, so please join in with me whilst I'm doing it, okay? So this is really thinking about, in this activity, taking objects away and working out how many I've taken away and how you can work that out using what you've got in front of you and all of your part whole knowledge that you've got in your head and all your number bonds that you already know for different amounts. So first of all, the first thing we need to do is we're going to count out 10 objects because we don't need more than 10 for this activity. You are going to be using different amounts, but the most we need is 10. So I'm going to do that first and then I'm going to start the activity. So I'm going to use this video here like that. So I've got a pile of counters here at the moment, but I don't know if I've got 10. So I'm going to count them out first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these ones I'm going to get completely rid of. Can you see that I've put it into a tens frame just to double check that I know it's definitely. So I've got rid of those counters that I don't need. So I have 10 to start with. But first of all, we are just going to start by using 5. Okay, I'm going to keep those ones there safe for later. But first, we are going to start with 5 counters. So for us to play this game, I need to trust you that you can close your eyes with no peeking. Okay, so we're going to play this now. So we're going to start with 5. Once you close your eyes and I tell you to close your eyes, I'm going to take some away and hide them, and you need to work out how many I've hidden by looking at how many that are left. Okay, are you ready? Close your eyes, no peeking. Okay. Okay, I have hidden them. Can you open your eyes? How many's left? We've just got 1 counter left. We've just got 1. So first we had 5 and now we have 1. So hopefully some of you might know straight away how many I might have taken away by knowing that your part whole is 1 and something else to make 5. But to check it, what I want you to do is show me 5 fingers, and we're going to take some fingers down till we get to 1 left, and then the fingers that are down are going to be how many I've taken away. This is a way to check, okay? So I'm just going to leave my thumb up as my 1. So if I've put this many fingers down, how many are down? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've got 1 left there. So I had 5, I've taken away 4, and now I have 1 left. Let's check. So some of you might have already known that, oh, I know that 1 and 4 equals 5. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. So I've now got 5 again. Okay, close your eyes. We're going to have another go. No peeking. You ready? Okay, open your eyes. How many are left? That's right, 2. So how many have I hidden behind my back, do we think? Do we know this number bond? Let's check it. So how many did we start with? We started with 5, and now we need to get it down to 2. So let's work out how many we've got to take away. Is that 2 yet? Is that 2? Is that 2? So I've got 2 left. How many fingers have I had to put down? So how many have I taken away? 1, 2, 3. So I should have worked out that I've taken 3 away. Let's check. 1, 2, 3. I had taken 3 away. Okay, I think that's a bit easy, isn't it? Let's try 10. So I've got my 10 counters. What I'm going to do to make it a little bit easier to begin with is I'm going to put them back into a tens frame, because then you will be able to really clearly see how many there are left and maybe how many are missing as well. Okay, so we've got our tens frame. Close your eyes and let's work it out. Are you ready? Okay, can you open your eyes? How many are left? There are 5 left. We started with 10, so how many do I have to take away to get to 5? A whole 5. And we know that 5 add 5 equals 10. Okay, putting those ones back. We would start then again with 10. So there are lots of different amounts that you can take away to make 10. Okay, so that's your challenge for today, starting with 5 counters and hiding some of them and working out how many have been hidden and how many are left, and then going to 10 counters. So you can do this by taking in turns with your grown-up as well, so you can do some hiding and your grown-up can do some hiding too. And a really good way to really challenge yourself would then to try different amounts of numbers. So you could start with 6, you could start with 7, you could start with 8. So try different amounts as your challenge. Bye!